Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, then please do subscribe and share with your family and friends, as many as you can, if you find it useful. So without wasting any time, let's get straight to my video.
You know, nothing beats the summer heat quite well better than a popsicle. Today I'm going to show you 3 different types of popsicles in a lot of delicious ways. At first, I have taken one ripe mango here. As you know, mango is low in calories yet high in nutrients. Its vitamin C aids the immunity, iron absorption and improve your hair and skin health. Okay, now cut the mangoes in diced shape like this. See how awesome it looks. Now pour the cubes into the mold and fill it as much as you can. Now take some fresh mint leaves and part in half of each. Add those to the mangoes. Now guys, try to penetrate these leaves even to the lower part, as it will give a good look after freezing. Time to add some twist here. We have maza at our home guys, so I thought why not use it in popsicle mold. If you have fruity, slice or mango flavor tang, you can use those too, and it's totally up to you. So fill the molds completely by this maza. Then again I have added some mango cubes on top of this and closed the molds. For this, you need some cashews to be chopped. Second, I have taken here black raisins. Though it's totally optional, you can skip it if you don't have it. Then I took some chopped almonds here. It has some nutrients that helps to promote weight loss and reduce the hunger. Now comes raisin. If you want to skip the black raisin, then add some more of it. Here I have taken a cup of milk, then used Milkmaid. If you don't prefer much sweet, you can skip it. And if you are diabetic, you can add sugar-free as a sweetener. I have added 2 tablespoons of Milkmaid to add some more sweetness and taste. Give these a good mix before you add the other ingredients. Now add those dry fruits one by one. Give this a final mix and be ready to give yourself a milky treat. Here in final segment, you have to pour the mixture of dry fruits and milk to the molds carefully. Now close the molds like before. It's an awesome one filled with goodness of fresh fruits. At first, I took a kiwi. Now check how you can cut a kiwi hassle-free. See, here I have cut the kiwi into a half. Then taken a thin spoon. Now penetrate the spoon through the kiwi around its skin. Now rotate the spoon gently around the outer part of kiwi like this. Be gentle with this process. See, it's so easy. Now slice it as shown. Second, I have taken a banana here and gave the cut like this just to give it a nice look. You can make normal slice as well. I will use tender coconut water here to fill the rest of the molds. Now let's have a look of the final ingredients. First, freshly chopped mint leaves, then mango cubes, kiwi slices, banana slices, black grapes and pomegranate. Like guys, kiwi is not that easily available everywhere, but not to worry. Just use the other fruits in more of quantity. Or you can use pineapple slices or watermelon or apple whichever you can get easily at market. Add some mint leaves and try to penetrate those up to the bottom. Like I earlier said, see, I am using this stick to follow this process. And now take the coconut water and fill those molds in. You can use the basic salt and sugar mixture of water if you haven't the coconut water. Even that tastes awesome too. Now close the molds. So guys, we have here the 3 different types of popsicles that are ready to freeze for overnight. Yay! After freezing for overnight, it will look like this. See how easy it is? You can check the description box for the buying link of this popsicle mold too. And don't forget to share with your friends who would love to try it at home.